Hi everyone, welcome back to Natural Beauty with Melanie. Today we are here to unbox the March 2021 Petit Vour box. I have not yet opened it, so let's just dive in and see what we've got this time. All right, this is very pretty. Here's the insert that it comes with. All right, let's see. I see, excuse me, three of these right off the bat. These are I think that's what it says, shower sheets, large body wipe, instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. One biodegradable wipe. It's cool that it's biodegradable. Okay, so these are just like baby wipes for showering. All right, let's see what that says. Apparently these 3 sheets are a value of $4.50. Oversized and super soft, this on-the-go wipe cleanses and refreshes every inch of your skin. Okay, yep, it is by Uni. And I guess this is kind of a different version of a baby wipe. I mean, I have 2 kids, so I do use a baby wipe sometimes to like quickly, freshen up if I don't have a time for a shower, up until the point I have time for a shower. So it'll be cool to try these. I don't know if I would see myself buying these, but hey, I haven't even tried them yet, so we'll see. All right, let's see. The next thing is from Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Ooh, that's fun. Check that out. I have heard of Juice Beauty before and not used anything by them, so that'll be cool to try. This is 15 milliliters for the mask. Let's see what it says. Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. It's worth $9. It says aspen bark smooths and hydrates. Bamboo charcoal and kaolin clay protect and detox skin, while exfoliants leave skin with a softer, even complexion. I like getting masks in these boxes. I think that's fun. Actually has a pretty cool color. It's like very dark and stuff. It's fun to sample a mask and just have like a really small amount, I think. So that's fun. Next up we have Jane Iredale, the Skincare Makeup Lip Drink. This is a lip balm with SPF 15. There we go. And the active ingredient is titanium dioxide, 1.75%. And the purpose is sunscreen. So this is good going into, it's the end of March now. So, we're going into the spring here. Ooh, this is really pretty. That is some really pretty packaging. I like that. That's like a very fancy lip balm. Ooh, that's nice. That's what it looks like. Let me get you in the light here. Buff is the color. Let me tell you what it says about it. Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm. Ooh, $17. Quench your lips with hydrating protection. This lip balm leaves lips soft, lemon scented, and protected with reef safe broad spectrum SPF 15. It is 0.14 ounces. Let me just do a little swatch. Okay, it looks pretty light. Oh, it does have a scent. Like they said, lemon scent. That's cool. It's like a fancy lip balm. And since oops, I kind of made a little funky. Since it has a little color to it, this will be really nice to try. I'm definitely in a challenging time with like lip balms, lipsticks right now. So this is actually really great for me. So, all right, let's see. Our last product is, Province Apothecary Moisturizing Oil Cleanser and Makeup Remover, Avocado and Raspberry. Ooh, this is nice. That's fun. This is a pretty good box, actually. Let me tell you what it says about this. So we have Province Apothecary Cleanser and Makeup Remover, $20. Hydrating essential oils restore the skin's natural radiance by gently cleansing without over drying the skin or destroying its natural pH. 30 milliliters. All right, so this is the this is like the most expensive product in the box. It says gently and effectively removes oil, dirt, and makeup. And ideal for all skin types, won't clog pores. Massage into wet skin, remove thoroughly with a damp face cloth. Use nightly. Interesting. Sunflower seed oil, jojoba seed oil, vitamin D, evening primrose oil, raspberry seed oil, bergamot oil, lavender oil. Cool. It's interesting that it's in a spray bottle. Or is it? I'm sorry, it is not a spray bottle. It is. Oh, it's sealed. Wow, I am not intelligent right now. It's a pump, so not a spray, and there's a seal, hence why I could not open it very easily. This is cool. I'm excited about this. And this is so great for travel. I have a trip coming up actually in a few weeks, so I might bring this special face wash. We'll see. So that is everything we got. We got the Provence Apothecary Cleanser and Makeup Remover worth $20. Then we got the Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm for $17. And we got the Juice Beauty Bamboo Pore Refining Mask for $9. And these 3 shower sheets from Uni for $4.50. So we are at, let's see, about 29 plus 17. I don't know, me doing math on camera is bad. So we have 37, so 46 plus $4.50. We have about $51 value approximately. So that's pretty cool. Well, that's everything. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And definitely consider subscribing if you would like to be alerted for when I do my next video. I was hoping to get this one up a little bit sooner, but the shipping was like very delayed. So here we are. I think I'm like a day late from what I hoped for. So I am definitely excited to try these products, and I will report back in like 2 to 3 weeks after trying these and let you know my thoughts on them. Thanks again for watching, and hope you're doing well. Bye.